In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice chat with Microsoft Copilot in Edge. We'll walk through updating your browser, signing in, opening the Copilot sidebar, granting microphone access, and then talking to Copilot naturally so you can get hands-free help right away. First, make sure Microsoft Edge is up to date. An updated browser ensures you have the latest Copilot features and fixes. In Edge, open the menu in the top right, go to Settings, then About Microsoft Edge. The browser will automatically check for updates and install them. If you were prompted to relaunch, go ahead and do that to complete the update. Next, sign in with your personal Microsoft account. Copilot's newer capabilities rely on this sign-in, so look for the profile button at the top right of Edge and confirm you're logged in to a personal account. If you're using a work or school profile, some features may be limited. You can switch profiles or add a personal one directly from that profile menu. Now, open the Copilot sidebar. On the Edge toolbar in the top right, click the Copilot icon. It's typically a blue and white circle. The Copilot chat pane will slide open on the right side of your screen, giving you a space to type or talk. To enable voice, click the microphone icon in the Copilot Composer. The first time you do this, Edge will ask for permission to use your microphone. Click Allow. If you don't see the prompt, make sure your system microphone is connected and that the browser hasn't been blocked from using it. A quick check of your device's sound input and a quiet environment can make voice recognition more accurate. Once the microphone is active, you'll hear a short greeting or a chime, and you'll see the interface indicate it's listening. Speak naturally and clearly. You can ask for anything you'd normally type, like find a recipe for an easy banana smoothie. Or if you're on a web page, say summarize this page. Copilot will use the context of the page you're viewing when appropriate, and it will respond right in the sidebar. If you need to pause or stop, click the microphone again. If something doesn't work as expected, double-check that Edge is updated, you're signed in with a personal Microsoft account, and the microphone permission is allowed. You can always switch to typing in the same chat pane if needed. That's it. Your browser is ready, your mic is enabled, and you can start talking to Copilot to save time and keep your hands free.